Welcome to Hypertherm XPR System V11 Valve Replacement Guide video. Items and tools required for replacing the V11 valve are the solenoid valve tool, Phillips screwdriver, hexagon wrench and nut driver. Complete the following procedures. Remove the power from the cutting system. Remove the gas pressure from the cutting system. Drain the coolant. Remove the top panel and side panel of the torch connect console. Remove the gas supply hoses from the torch connect console. Remove the ohmic relay and bracket by removing two nuts that hold the assembly. Remove the two screws that hold the manifold assembly in from the side. Remove the power connector, ohmic board connector and V11 connector from the control board. Disconnect the yellow, blue, and black tubes from the push-to-connect fittings on the manifold assembly. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw from the control board. Use a 3 mm hexagonal key wrench to remove the two screws that hold the manifold assembly in the bottom of the torch connect console. Slide the manifold assembly with control board back and lift out. Remove the V11 valve connector and use the solenoid valve tool to remove the V11 valve from the manifold assembly. Install new V11 valve. Use the solenoid valve tool to install the new V11 valve. Rotate the tool until you hear audible click. Connect the wire connector for V11 to the control board. Install the manifold assembly and the control board. Connect the black, blue, and yellow tubes to push-to-connect fittings. Install the ohmic relay and bracket. Install the power connector, ohmic board connector and V11 connector on the control board. Connect gas supply hose and panels of the console. Supply the gas pressure and power to the cutting system. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to contact Hypertherm Technical Service Team for further information.